Hey developing drummers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick, rough guide to writing a basic drum chart to help you learn songs faster. If you've ever wanted a solid method to learn songs fast and map out the parts without memorizing every detail, this is for you. We're going to break down a song called Something Happened on the Way to Heaven, the song I demoed a few weeks ago. It was my first song after my 20-year break. After I've written the part, I will do another version of me reading this, so you get an idea between the difference between busking and reading. This process becomes invaluable when you have to learn 10 or 20 or more songs. Here's the game plan. First, we'll start by creating a simple bar guide, mapping out the song structure, where the verses, chorus and middle 8 sections come in. It's just numbers, section changes and a few of the main phrases. This will give us a clear roadmap of where the song goes and the sections within the song. Then we'll take it a step further and turn the map into a bar layout version on manuscript paper. This is where we'll add details like beats, fills, phrases and any key accents, so we know exactly what to play and where. Finally, if we want, we can clean it up and write a full polished version for reference. That way, we'll have a neatly organised chart to work with any time we want to revisit the song. Oh, and one quick note. If you hear any tapping that sounds out of sync, don't worry, the taps are in time, or they were intended to be in time, and they were played in time. It's just that a little bit of latency caused the problem, but it's not so severe that it causes such a great problem. And one more thing, I'll be making these rough notes available for download, so you can follow along and see the entire process more clearly. This way you'll have a practical example right in front of you as you create your own charts. Alright, let's dive in and start building our drum chart. So right, let's go then. The count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the song comes in on the and not on the one. That's an error I made when, well, that's something that just happened when I was creating the MIDI files earlier on, well, many moons ago to be honest. So let's get on with it. Two, 3, 4. I'm gonna stop it there. So there's a 2, 4 there. There's a bar of 2, 4. Two, 4 bar. Let's start that again. I think that's the only one throughout the song. Two, 3, 4. basic numbers of the of the bars. There's a 2/4 here. There's a 2/4 down here. That seems a bit strange, being 9 bars. I'll have to look into that one the next time round. This one is, I think it's the chorus repeated 4 times, so we can just use repeat bars there. The double bar lines are the changes sections. There's a small C for the choruses when they begin, and then the longer bar is to indicate the changes. Now, ordinarily, I would move this straight onto manuscript music, but for this, I'm going to go through it again, just to make sure that we've got it something like right. I would usually try and fit this into it onto 2 sheets. So let's have a look. So I put the title there. So this is only going to write this quickly and roughly. So 7 bars. Having the full numbered bars with a few of the phrasets and such gives me a clue as to the structure of the song, such as where there are repeat bars, if any, whether there's a first and second time bar within the repeats. And as I did with this part, I included a coda. So add in a DSL coda, dal segno sign, which means to go back to the sign, which in this case is at the very beginning, then go to the coda when you reach the coda symbol. This all becomes clear once you see the structure of the numbers, the numbered version, which is basically a preparation for creating the manuscript version with the actual written bars. Then in the final version, you can add all the beats and the fills, etc. That's a DSL coda, isn't it? DSL coda. DSL coda. Right, we'll check this, make sure it's right. Then we need to add the hits if we want to add them. I mean, normally we'd just play it straight like this, but I'm going to do the hits as well. So, there we go.
panic then.
And that will do. I think that'll do. Now what I would do now, I would take this, it's a basic guide, it's okay, there's different various ways I could have mapped it all out, but I'll stick to this. I'll have a coder there and use this as a coder. I would usually now add all the its, but that's going to take a lot of messing about to get, so I would usually add all the its, but I'm going to do those off camera, and then normally then I would write it out in a manuscript book. Put it in a book once you've got it, once you've added all the stabs and its, then get yourself a manuscript book and make a good copy of it. But I think we'll leave that there for now. You'll be able to download this. I'll write this out. I'll do all the its and write it out neat, and you'll be able to download that soon. I might upload the video first, but then you'll be able to download it soon after. Okay, I hope that helps. Thank you, very glad.
Alright, so that's our basic drum chart for Something Happened on the Way to Heaven. With this chart in hand, you'll be able to learn and remember the song structure much faster, and it'll be a solid guide as you add in fills, accents and those key sections we mapped out. So download the rough scribbles that I did and follow along with this video. You can see what I did and the mistakes I made. Then you will be better equipped to write your own charts for songs you want to learn fast. In the next video, I'll be practicing and playing this part with and without the brass hits. I'd likely play the brass hits phrasing on a live gig depending on the arrangement, so I'll show you both approaches. This is also the reason I decided to use this MIDI file version rather than the original soundtrack. I just don't like copying exactly what other drummers play. I prefer to play what I believe should be played for a given song. So, if you're ready to see how this chart comes to life in practice, make sure to join me in the next video. Thanks for watching.